Huh? Hey, nấu lật với. À, phương pháp. Kia đâu có phải. Ai da ai. Ai da ai. Super up boy. Super again. Boy. Rồi, có xe đâu anh cái vậy. Tutup. Nhà được theo duyên đó. Rồi, có xe đâu anh cái vậy. Dạ, boy, đâu anh đây dạ. Super boy, super. Boy. Boy. Juliana, ready? All right. Super again. Oh, this is the truth in there. This is the truth in there. Back it up. Hey. Boy.
We're gonna do a short live here tonight because we're just feeling good about it.
Yes, man. We just feel nice and jovial tonight.
Yes.
So we just decide to make we just plug up and just make we talk about the weekend. Because the weekend may active in the culture capital.
Right.
Now, boy?
Yeah. But the brother here, man, I still not come to show there out there by New Park.
Yeah, the multi-purpose.
The party weekend.
I'm a party vibe this weekend.
Really enjoyed it. But the weekend,
yeah.
Man, people like, we love it. It's a love. Talking about the mayor teaching us, giving us a little move. I mean,
yeah.
Look, Ladies and gentlemen, Lanty and the cameraman. Punta rock music make you do all kind of thing. It's a rock music,
Yeah.
make you do all kind of thing, but it's all kind of thing positive. And the way how you think, the way how you look at things,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. In our thought.
the way of mind, your mind, if your mind think dirty, you have a dirty
That
thoughts.
thought about the thing,
Yeah.
you know, about but because really and truly, I don't think I mean, yes, people got a lot to say about it because now the mayor. So we ask the question, right? Is it all right? Right?
Yeah.
Is dog ups all right? Is dog ups all right? Na Punta Rock, right? Na Punta Rock, na Punta Rock,
Belize is
right?
a very unique place,
Uh,
we have
uh,
our own music. And Punta Rock is one of them, that is a hype. Everything is hyped about it.
yes, man.
Is it okay? All right, if it have nothing to do with, again, people race.
Yeah,
Any race, any
yeah,
culture could dance Punta Rock.
yeah.
You know,
Every culture,
and they should.
every other culture got the music, I mean, every culture they have some culture where have music and dances, just like Punta Rock. More, I would have said more explicit or more sexualized than Punta Rock.
Very much so.
But
I mean,
not just the culture.
if you watch Carnival, for instance, the way how they dress, I respect that. That's the way how you feel. That's how I have nothing negative to say about
That's
Carnival.
that's the culture.
It's the culture, man. I mean, I love to anybody. I wonder if Doc Ops ever kill anybody, man.
Boy, I don't know. I know hear about it yet. 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 If somebody in the chat know about dog ups will kill anybody, just make we know. Make we know if dog ups kill anybody.
Yeah. Right. Palita Nunes is saying what a topic. Yeah, that of course, we talk about life, it's what happened at Riga.
Yeah.
And this radio station only play Garifuna music. So Punta Rock is one of the hypest one that we play. We want to continue to promote it. We want to make artists, look, we are live, we poor but we're happy.
Yes, man. Yes, man. Yes, man. Yes, man. Yes, man.
Poor. We cannot be going around policing people and telling people how they should behave. As long as they're not hurting themselves and hurting others, if they're happy. What the heck? I mean,
like
promote happiness, promote love.
I was a part of that show on Friday, and Myanmar,
But you get some CD yet?
Myanmar now one of the one Myanmar now one of the few mayors where I say always socialize with the people. They're amongst the people. They vibe with the people. They have a conversation. No matter now who this man, you see this man vehicle park up. Sometimes he out of his vehicle. They have a conversation with whoever needs to have a conversation with he in the community. So if you share while he dance, I mean, it hurt. It hurt. The people when not know if dance. I think they hurt. Right? I think so. People hurt. What is it to have a little dance and now a fun time?
It's a jovial time.
A jovial time, and just like right now. Now just like with our jovial time. Yeah. Just like right now, the conversation right now. Now jovial, we just talk about it. Now nothing to take serious. I mean, there are yes matters and there is so much in the community that we could talk about, but we will use tomorrow and we will use for we show Wednesday for have a more serious chat about right now.
We're having fun.
We have fun, man. Right? We have a little chat about it.
Yes.
You know? Mar, we dey go on nice, man. Mar, we dey enjoy yourself, man. We're wrong with it, man.
You see.
I want the chat on the community chat.
Yeah,
On the
yeah,
community.
we want
We want to hear our own chat. We want to hear our people. We want to hear where they go on. You know?
Yeah, just blaze up the chat like we know about. Our question is dog-ups. What is it? Is dog-ups allowed by any man? You know? Worse than Garifuna Wabagari.
Yeah,
Right.
is dog-ups allowed?
Dog-ups allowed. Well, my mic is off. That's why I said to go. My mic is off. All of a sudden, my mic went off, right?
Man, where they go on?
I guess. Where you going, man? All right, my mic is back on. Yeah.
Now, where somebody said it?
But we say, look, tonight, we have Martina, we have the youngest MC coming up. This show next 12 minutes.
Yeah.
Right? But let's go to our viewers here, man.
Yeah.
All right, let's go place to say that the audio low. We don't think that. Thank you very much, Daniel Smith. Oh, please. The mayor was enjoying himself. The man is not dead.
Yeah,
Let him
man.
enjoy himself.
Yeah.
It's not every day that you see the mayor dancing. Stop it.
Yes, man. You see it? Nice and polite.
That's the one we talk about.
Yes, man.
We want to hear more.
No make we cause a propaganda half nothing, man. You know? No make we cause no propaganda half nothing, man. Now, you know? Come on.
That's just like when they say, like, the guys that dance in a parade in a dress. That's nothing, you know what I mean? Like, that come on. All of them are gonna naked and be something else, right?
Maybe in a free culture or maybe in a free society, it may want to be something else. But remember, in the world they have the naked day parade, right? So, well, if we would have got that part of the world where that happened, where we would have said,
That to tell us that we need to respect ourselves more and accept everything. We can adapt where maybe I can adapt no other culture because that's so God made me. I can adapt and compare our way of life with anybody else because I know I feel comfortable. I want to be comfortable in my skin. There is a lot of good, bad, and ugly about every culture on this earth.
Yeah.
So we tend to compare ourselves with somebody else and say that where they do good and where you do bad. So everything about Garifuna or black people for that is bad in some people's eyes. So we start throwing these stones out there and trying to hurt each other instead of respecting each other's feelings and the way how we carry ourselves. There's no way that our mayor inflict any wounds on anybody. I want to see that wound, and if it is there's a wound and someone is hurting, please raise your hand.
Yeah, make we know that who hurt. Make we know.
But
some people hurt, you know.
Banti, I could tell you that night I'm in the islands at night, Banti. And you know most of the time with the video, right? Our sound command them, brother. I haven't got the camera and I just feel it and I just pour it up, set up.
Why you gonna like packing in?
I have to pour it down.
Yeah, pour it down. You don't have to. The energy.
Why the energy? Tell you.
Why sweet pain got one new one upstairs. Why?
Big tunes.
Why that big tune where sweet pain got it? Why? But you know, not just entertainment. You know, not just entertainment. You know.
Let's read these more comments then. More comments are coming in. Guys, what was the question? I just joined in. Prayer. Guys. All right, let's go to Pyramid, Piranha. Guys, what was the question? The question is, look at the top of your screen, Pyr. Is dog-ups allowed by our mayor? Monty, I say yes. Why does it have to go viral? Why? You know, sometimes on a blue Monday like this, you have to cheer up with people.
Yeah.
Thanks, man, to you. Say bye, make we do it. You have to cheer up with people.
Man. We have a little laughter, man. We have a little laughter. We have a little laughter about it, man.
Yeah, man.
You know?
All right. Paula Nunes. But why don't even give somebody like that energy? Everybody has their opinion on the matter. Our mayor done gone on the stage and enjoy himself. Cha! Please ask the mayor to send a bush hog in my area because the bush out of control. Well, liar thing that, man.
Yes, man. Everything that, man. Yes, man.
Liar thing that.
Yeah, man. We don't read out the things.
Yeah, we don't.
Mr. Mayor don't hear what they go on.
All right.
Now what they say there again?
Astor Flores, right?
Yeah.
Astor Flores is saying, as a Garifuna, is it wrong for do a lead the house? Hey, you guys MC, come over, man. Come on, ask you a question about dog ups. The guys you know dog ups.
Yeah, he like dog ups. Hard dog ups.
Yeah. No. Just make the youngest MC come sit down. Can you just you know that put her in the picture when I time put her in the picture. That's all you have to do. Yeah. All right.
Now what that one say?
Rankin Martinez, brother, that man that was human at the end of the day. That's true.
That's true.
Why Ashbert Delton Marin. Before becoming Mayor Mariano, Mayor is the first himself. I don't see anything with what the video showed was hurtful. But it's rather other personal vendetta and want his downfall. Had it not been recorded, it wouldn't have made some people uncomfortable. Like that's not true.
You know what? You say not everything. When the mayor go in office, he remember the mayor got his personal life stuff.
Yeah, true.
Right? Remember the mayor when he get home, he now a husband, he now a father. You know what I'm saying?
Not only that.
Right? And if me have anything to hide, me never going up on that stage. Me home happy. Me wife happy.
I proud of man, boy.
You understand?
I proud of.
Right? So we can mix up this thing, yeah. Me dog ups.
Both dog ups. Hey, that man always in front of parade. Yeah, too.
He not Garifuna, bro.
He is a Garifuna. Okay. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to take about 15 minutes left on the show, but we will read all of the comments.
Yeah, we will read everything.
We will read all of the comments tonight. Thanks, guys. I agree with you. I'll leave mayors alone. Yeah. Myron Fern.
Yeah, man. Left me alone.
Mayor, you can dog ups, just be yourself. Why?
But he is being himself.
Yeah, that's just a Lyle Balance.
Be
yourself, by.
Be yourself.
Monday. Okay, make we talk about the good he do. Yeah, the man the good now. We're not saying bad about it. No, lie. No. We are saying we are with the man making the box more.
We remember tonight. Now no about nothing serious. This is our jovial night.
Yeah,
right. This is just jovial. We that jovial with the jovial ourselves.
Yeah, not take things serious.
No, take nothing serious.
It's not serious time,
right? We have with nice up the Monday.
Yeah.
What that one say?
I know the fella that is making a political propaganda. Why we not the call? Why?
I don't tell you, we're not the man. Hey, wanna be here.
Hey. We have to read it out.
Yeah, read it out.
Need to tell
don't say we read everything.
Yeah, we say need to tell the people why he was deported from USA. It's much worse. Why?
Oh Lord.
Oh my goodness!
On the left people business.
Leave people alone.
Left people business.
Okay, Joshua Marin. Hi, good night, Mr. DYFA. Good night. Just all right. Who will come in? Is it Pierre? Is it Pierre coming in? Is it Pierre? Why? Girl, where you go? Where go? Yeah, man. Girl, why? The classmate girl in the studio, boy, man, come in live after we, boy. Yes.
He went out.
All right. Go to see me a parade, right, girl? My classmate, that boy, way back in 1985. 1985, girl just come in and bam. Yes. Look up. Why? Brother, one question, brother. Do you agree with the dog-ups or no? Dog-ups. You want the mayor give more dog-ups or no dog-ups? Turn on the camera then. Relate, the man guy. Relate, man. You know? All right. Back to the show.
Yeah.
Back to the show. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll read a couple more. All right. Then we'll ask. I believe the only person he should apologize. Like, come on, man. We don't need to apologize. Like saying.
Apologize to like with a big man.
Yeah.
When we roll out for we wife, and just trust. Now this now different levels. You know, say, you have to get off and then get up mentality. And then low life kind of mentality where they live. With a different levels.
Yeah. I believe the only person he should apologize to is his wife. All right. We don't talk about that. Then in that law, man, you need not dog up smear. Well, if that dog up smear, the man straight up. All right. Upstairs. All right. Kimani Janelle, the mayor, me they live life. Why? Respect family. Lie. We know we're about America. We don't believe bad energy stay far. Why? Lie. No,
really talk, lie. No, really talk. No, really makes no sense.
Make a turn up the mic for
yeah, make a put on.
You got the mic on.
Yeah.
What do you think with the ups?
Well, I don't know. We don't know upstairs, though.
How you feel when they give you the ups?
Feel good?
We enjoy ourselves, man.
We enjoy
ourselves.
And then y'all enjoy it too.
The life?
You see?
The
life.
Freedom.
Alright, so now what I want to say?
Okay, this one I say, all right. You both are influential people in our society. What happened if you do the ups too? All right, we answer that part there. Hey, guys, this is as I'm married by my ballet for GT. Dog ups is a lovely thing. It makes me feel like, make I feel complete.
Yeah.
It make I feel warm and dog ups make you feel like you cherish something.
No, but I mean, dog ups not part of the counteract, dancing. I mean, you don't have to be like really high upstairs. Right? You don't have to be high upstairs.
Yeah.
But in there.
In there, you're supposed to take it out.
Yeah, right. That's why my say
in there.
Take it out.
Look, all right. Next part of the question. Someone got to do the ups while dancing. It's just add flavor and a little sweetener to the rhythm, knowing that dog up is your own style. I rest my kids. Very good show, guys. Why? This be nice by Joy Diego, my cousin Joy. It's the manner in which he was dancing since society looked up to him. All right. Wait, look. Society is in your mind when it comes to influential. If you know this person is conscious, right? This person intentions are good.
Mm-hmm.
You could dog up all he want.
Mm-hmm,
Anyway, anytime.
I mean, come on now. Guys, look at it, guys. Look at it like this. So if nothing wrong with it. No, nothing wrong with it, man. Nothing wrong with it, Nothing wrong with it. Nothing wrong with it with the dog ups. We don't want the man middle. They hide the dog ups. Go behind one. Go behind one.
Stage. Even on the stage, there are one the man stage. And that's why DYFA never been out there, because we don't know. Right? Even though we put it out there, the thing is, dog ups is a part of my nature. I don't know. Paki, we want to hear a little bit more about your kind of dog ups.
Somebody got something.
All right.
Then after words where I will want to say.
All right, this Denny. Yeah. Denny is saying, big and serious gentlemen. Sometimes music wasn't meant to sexualize. We must hold something to standards. If we can't look out, if we can look to our leaders to that, we do. Are we the culture capital or the culture capital? But, very good point. Then we cannot hide who we are. We have to show who we are, right? Every culture, like I mentioned earlier, got good, bad, and ugly. Depends on how you look at it. If you go to if you travel a lot, then you will know. There's a lot of little things, ethics, and little things that people do or not supposed to do. A certain part of the world, I said, "Why that's ridiculous?"
But why? But why?
That's their thing,
But why? Why dog up sexualized? So what? Like why is that? Why is that considered sexual?
That was a good question. Then you could kind of answer that to us. Why? I don't see it as sexual. I see it as something that is a part of the emotion.
The choreography.
The choreography. Let's put it like that. Let me use for their word,
right?
Because if there's something backing up to you, what should you do with that? Should you continue to back up or give her a ups? That's
that it comes back to the question.
But look, I see it as choreography.
Yeah.
I see it as something fun. I see it as something very tasteless, as in tasteless when it comes to someone else's perspective. But my perspective is that it's
the thought of sexuality, I never thought about it then.
Just mean the one who talk about sexual assault, they think. The man only think no about sexual. Man dance. I don't say anything sexual about that. The man fully clothed, he's having a good time.
It's part of his dancing
choreography. And he's dancing to our music as well. They rape nobody.
Yeah.
There's a lot of rapists and
what they say that?
All right. Loretta Montero. The young lady way of dancing threw it off, but that's how she danced. Mayor was enjoying himself and didn't want to just leave her there. Loretta, why? She's wrong. She's on point.
Yeah.
Because I just explain, just like if it bring it back to me, us as DYFA, what train to come against me, I will push back.
Yeah.
Check. Right there, the dog-ups come in, You could have slow dog-ups, you could have.
That's what I say, right?
Yeah,
right?
it
depends.
Depends.
So what did they say?
So then they say, see when back attempted to dog-ups Bella, you saw her reaction. Who that, right?
I never see that part, the why.
Yeah.
I never see that part, the D.
Yeah,
I never see that part, D. I never see that part.
Bella, well, some people, I don't see that part. I wasn't here, so. But clear that up with it. Maybe Bella feel for a stiff dog-ups that you got. You could dog-ups are close to them.
No, you say, no, not that. You say, nah. Now who that? Who?
Who that, Denny? Bella. Some Bella, why?
Now who with the Bella?
So when back attempted to dog up Bella, you saw her reaction. Why me not see nothing by?
We never see that one.
Never see that. Yeah. If you could play that one, if you message me, Denny.
Yeah.
I can check it out. Message me. Then play that one day. Message me.
Yeah. So that whole Steve that Friday boy and Omegana that West Camp Gambis.
Samber.
Yeah, that's what we said afternoon.
Well, Paki, we have 5 more minutes. Let me hear a little bit from you.
Yeah.
For a young person
perspective.
When you say, you made the vote.
No, he was there.
But we have one, they want to go back.
No, you're not thinking about that. Me race.
All right. But how do you feel about the whole situation? Yeah.
Well, they may have to enjoy. The man work hard whole week. We have to enjoy. So he put it back. He give the guy the cup.
No germs.
No germs. Me not blame me, man. Upstairs or upstairs.
Right, we got a lot of people.
We hear from the young MC.
You hear from the young MC.
Yeah.
Once the young MC says so,
That's all. That right there.
that we can.
Because me get a girl dog up. You get a girl dog up. All of we get a girl dog up. No that problem. I didn't real bother me up.
Upstairs.
Upstairs.
So now Saturday now we got the 3K and the 2K match now. So now boy YG and Caesar Ridge. Huh?
Yeah, well, I guess there is what's up.
Young MC and who else we got it? BB Tongue and
Vitals.
Vikings. So Vikings beat on McCarthy name boy, no?
Yeah, Tongue Naka, Vikings.
Thank the Lord, man.
5-1 and
If you man be lose,
Boy,
thank God they win, man.
they need to win.
YG get a call 6-1.
6-1 YG get knock off and that thing there?
Yes.
Lord, man.
All right.
Can't believe it, man.
All right. So what we'll do, ladies and gentlemen, we'll have the youngest MC give his sports stats, and then we'll talk a little bit more about this, and then we'll close out. Right?
Yeah.
So youngest MC, go back for sports tonight, man.
Well, good night. We go.
Well, I think this answer here up here. The youngest MC, ladies and gentlemen, we're going over some sports tonight.
Yeah. We could talk about what's going on this because we got 2 days full of sports this weekend, yeah, man.
Yeah, man. That's a big announcement. Too.
Yeah. Good night, right? Yeah, again, right. Sport Monday, bring everybody together, right? You don't know that kind of thing, right? Well,
I keep on the thing with the hair, youngest.
I can't say good now. Me a old man.
But don't know the man youngest MC is. But that's some shit. That's some shit.
I know it.
That's some shit. I went from the shit back now.
Yeah, make him see what I've got.
Yeah, good night. This is sport one night. We are starting basketball over the weekend. Game 2 play inside Orange Rock with Defenders and Orange Rock Rugby Rebels, and you can say Orange Rock knock off Defenders 60-55. Because the series tied 1-1 apiece. Game 3 are play this Friday inside the Elizabeth Center.
Why Defenders knock off on the Rebels? What?
Yes, Orange Rock knock off Defenders. Well, the series tied 1-1 apiece. Game 3 coming up this Friday inside the Elizabeth Center. Moving on. 3K and 2K play Saturday night inside Carama Stadium.
Yeah.
Beat on a Mango Creek.
Vikings.
Mango Creek Vikings 5-1 and inside the second game for the 3K. Caesar is Fabulous play knockoff YG 6-1.
6-1?
Yes.
No man, talk to me how that beating there and man.
Well, Caesar got the whole game. They got to YG. Caesar.
Past the whole 90.
Yes, YG no got defend. And that way kill YG. Latrell Milton hurt there. Got the game and 6-1.
How much goal Latrell score?
Latrell won 1. But Caesar knocked me out 6-1.
Man. So no kind of energy from YG?
None at all.
No man. You may leave me with stats span again, man. Sure, man. Just low on defense skill, boy. I mean, no opportunity, no goal opportunity for YG.
Well, they got one man in the play week and a total final, but they're not going to finisher. And Caesar get all the break and they put it away.
My lad. Bad news.
Caesar is 1YG.
One YG because
the first 2 cases that went inside the inside City.
Inside the Marion Jones.
Yeah, he had penalty shootout.
Mm-hmm.
And they go Agriga and beat YG
6-1.
6-1.
And who scored that goal for YG?
But then the game move fast. They can't tell who YG.
But this man here come mess around too.
Yes, a fast game at that. We can't tell who the goal for YG.
Boy, man, YG, we have to tighten up, we have to work out, we have to get this team together because I don't know what the thing said. So how we look like for me Sunday? How we look like Sunday?
Well,
We're going on Sunday in the Cal Ramos.
moving on, week 4, me have got play Sunday yesterday. And my team beat them. We get knock off 3 goals, 1 from proper fit. And in game 2, Pomona Impact knock off Graveyard 2 goals.
Why Graveyard get knocked off? Man.
Now, the game 4, we're going to play Friday. We're going to play Wednesday, back match. Game 1 Wednesday for continue week 4. That'll be Conquerors and Lakeland.
Yeah.
And in game 2 for closer week 4 will be 4 Mile Salawi versus Placencia.
What Salawi versus Pine?
Moving on.
And Conquerors versus
Lakeland first game.
that'll be Wednesday.
Yeah.
But that we have to show that game on Wednesday, what?
After, man.
Because we got South Coast Wednesday too, you know.
Oh,
So
what are 2 games? What are 2 games again?
we got
Wednesday night first game will be Conquerors and Lakeland. And in second game for closer week 4 will be 4 Mile Salawi versus Placencia.
Two big game too.
We want to man throw me off just now, man. Can't wait now. I monitor the screen and, you know,
Yeah.
we need to, yeah. Hey, cameraman, just make sure everybody's in the screen.
Yeah. Try to hear it more, John.
Everybody in the screen so
Better,
our viewers will see and hear us. Right? You're having a hard time.
That's all right.
All right. That's right there. Good. Yeah, so when's the game?
Yeah, Wednesday, Conquerors versus
Lakeland. And game 2 for closer week 4, 4 Mile Salawi versus Placencia.
But we might just depend on it. No, but I think we have to stay with Sean.
Yeah.
We have to stay with the show, man.
Yeah. Last week we're getting
Yeah, we're getting it
Wednesday last week. So
first time we're back on his normal routine.
check. So they were Wednesday.
Yeah, man. So post Wednesday, man. If we get out early and stuff, whenever we go push up there. Yeah.
Then moving on, Friday, week 5 begin on Friday with what double header. Friday, week 5 will be game 1 will be Beaton and Placencia. And game 2, Friday, week 5, USA Wabagari versus Pomona Impact.
Yeah.
Boy, that'll be a serious game, right?
Then Sunday, game 5 continue at double header. Sunday, game 1 will be Lakeland versus 4 Miles. And in game 2 for closer week 5 will be no other than Krieger Conquerors and Bengoche proper fix.
Big game, man.
Why Ramos they rock this whole week?
Yeah.
Ramos they rock the whole week. Ramos they rock.
Yeah.
Yes.
Huh? Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, make we come out. Gonna say they may ask up
Saturday.
hot.
National Bank of Belize Amateur Inter-District. Our homeboys sell grass against Corozal inside Caramos.
Saturday again.
Yes.
Yeah, I think we are give some last one in 3.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sell grass, Ghana Corozal and Nakam Corozal.
No, we
2 goals to zip.
could get the grass at the treat and deserve it. We could show we could get it at the live.
Yeah, I'm going to 3 cameras, so.
Yes, man. When I get to the grass at the live Saturday.
Yes, man.
Yes, man. We are sure to the grass being alive.
So when we got up in a sports, but yeah, what happened with basketball?
Don't say
Really
that.
basketball.
All right, good sample. That's all with
Yeah.
it.
Basketball.
6 aside and 21 will be July 18th at Bengal check.
All right, so that next week.
Eh,
I been go check basketball court.
no more they feel.
All right.
Fix it up.
Eh,
All right, good. Time.
So that'll be what?
Time.
that'll be 6 aside.
All right.
All right, good.
That's action that happening. I been go check next
First
week. So.
place 500, second place 300.
Mm-hmm.
50 bills register.
Man, man, do it again. See?
Yeah.
Man, do it again. We will come back to it, man.
See?
Do it again. It's
See?
good.
See?
Then big thing that was football, that's a sport.
Yeah, man. That's
This
a sporting
week,
activities they
yeah.
want this weekend and next weekend.
Yeah.
Next weekend, Bengal check. After that, you don't know na paint and
For
powder.
that.
Islands Bar and Grill.
Just remember, before the show done, before my sport money done, we got a ticket for give up for paint and powder. And let us write them name and I get a ticket.
Now
May
they do.
15.
On the 15th?
Yes.
All right, then. Good. So.
Cause last night we take picture, that's Ivana.
Yeah.
All right, then. Well, now your thing, Papa.
Yeah.
Give away your ticket.
Well, we just went there, say, name 2 artists who are there on the show and I receive a silver ticket.
All right.
2 artists.
2 artists who's going to be on the paint and powder next week.
Big
Saturday.
lineup.
Yes, at Islands Bar and Grill.
So name 2 artists.
Yes, man. Name 2
Yeah.
artists.
I type it in live right now.
Yes, man. Name 2 artists. Name 2 artists who's going to be on the lineup at Islands Bar and Grill. And you win yourself a ticket.
Got the thing allowed.
Load packs.
You know,
No germs.
no germs. Then CONCACAF will start July 28th.
July 28th, CONCACAF.
Verde's first game will be inside FFB Stadium.
Verde versus.
What teams are Panama? Big thing now, FFB Stadium.
All right.
All right. We're done with the sports?
Then
Well, remember, we got to give away.
the 6K with Wings Police and Beaton. That'll be July 30 inside FFB Stadium.
July 30. Wings versus.
Beaton.
Boy. Beaton, they go for it again. Boy, big again. Beaton, look, we go eat that food again. Boy.
Yeah.
I'm missing crew versus me and my crew.
Boy.
But we wish you well back because we don't know when you get defeated.
You got stress.
You get stressed by it.
Then, doesn't remember, we left best for last.
Uh-huh.
August 1st and 2nd Premier League of the League will start. And good news, 2 teams out of Griga. Wagia and Griga Culture.
Culture.
Capital
FC.
Culture Capital FC. Big thing at Griga. Semi-final start August 1st and 2nd. So, Culture Capital FC will got tryout
Wednesday.
next week, Wednesday.
This Wednesday.
This Wednesday.
This Wednesday?
Yeah.
Okay, change the date. This Wednesday. So, wanna come out and once and no one watch out, I'm not gonna mess around. I'm gonna do the right thing.
Yes, sir.
Cause the thing are loud.
That is right. We look forward to this new team.
Correct. Everybody look forward to
You know, we look forward to this new team.
And then we have most of the big news in detail on Wednesday.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So I'll bring a couple of staff on there.
Yes, sir.
And then we're on top of it there.
Yes, sir.
So, because the logo is right there, I'm done with my father. So I want to talk about more in detail about that.
big thing.
Yes,
Thing.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What the
Yes,
fan they
sir.
say?
That's the actual right trail with that kind of shit. That's what we be here.
So, wow, bad rhyme that.
Yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thanks.
They don't say nothing. They not no I know win.
We will you will stay out with me because I heard show. We
Yeah.
just want to become
No, me have forgot those all the roots. So.
Right.
You know how you be here, right? All right, ladies and
But
gentlemen.
Saturday,
Uh-huh.
I was not there inside Krieger.
Man, this Saturday.
Please.
They ain't not 15.
Please. No, sorry.
We supposed to go for Friday, but since wrong now, they have to chill.
Yeah.
Can we both go watch the Defenders game Friday, but not chill.
No matter we got free game Friday.
The man love. So we got young SMC. Ladies and gentlemen, the young SMC don't want to know. We got girl right now. His girl is in Belize City. So we're gonna leave him alone.
Why for left the man alone?
Yeah, go
Left
Saturday.
alone.
They
Left
got-
alone.
We got Saturday. That's it. Day.
I love Brenda. Do I gotta dig the one? Well, we're not saying that thing is my demon.
But-
from-
Think-
Yeah, I'll crack up this thing.
Things nice. Whenever I tell everybody, good night and have a safe week at work.
Straight up, Pops.
God bless. Don't say. Well,
No germs.
no germs.
The man will think I leave. All right. Back to what we were talking about. Back to.
Yes, I. Yes, I.
Yes. Young listen, he don't know if he work
Yes,
already,
sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
So you know it. Man, T, everybody, we're back on track once again with the highly anticipated, the greatest. And I will put him in a class in the greatest right now in the mayorship. He's looking for his third term,
Yeah.
right? So he's freeing up himself more and more. He's bring up more and more, bring up himself. So this dug ups thing,
Yes, I.
this dug ups is a phenomenon. This dug ups is something that if you're not dug ups yet, something wrong.
Yes, I.
And even if you don't want dug ups, right? Anytime Punta Rock music come on, you gotta dug ups.
Yeah. It's part of the choreography
It's part of the choreography
of Punta Rock.
of Punta Rock, especially when a song come on.
Remember, they got Punta and they got Punta Rock, you know. Right? They got Punta and they got Punta Rock. You think?
Yes, Punta, you know, it's a seductive dance where you know you dance family, you know,
More traditional.
more traditional,
Yeah.
more, you know what I mean, more authentic, right?
Yeah.
That Punta
Punta.
Rock, Punta as Punta music, you know.
But Punta Rock now,
Ooh.
a different thing.
Ooh.
You think they got a difference between Punta and Punta Rock? You think? So,
In church, you could dance Punta. In church.
you
But Punta Rock, though,
can't dance Punta Rock in a church.
no, you can't dance Punta Rock in a church. Remember,
Now, just like in a Dogo, you can't dance Punta Rock in a Dogo.
Correct,
You have to
you can't.
dance Punta.
yes, there's a time and place for everything.
Check.
So, the mayor expressing himself is wonderful. The man doesn't hide nothing.
Mm-hmm.
And we like that about our mayor. And no matter what culture or race you are, you express yourself
Yes,
the way
man.
God make you. That the real God, not make no man judge you. And I'm so happy that this happened because sometimes as role models in our community, we have to teach and we have to lead by example. Why would you play Punta Rock music and just watch? And that's not the purpose of Punta Rock music. The purpose of Punta Rock music is to have fun, and that's what the mayor did. You know, who don't like it, that those maybe that don't even go out, they don't even support the thing.
Mm-hmm.
Don't even mingle with it. They think they're better than people.
Mm-hmm.
They call themselves people. All of a sudden, they're people now.
Mm-hmm.
That's the way they're going on, man. All of a sudden, you're people now. You're supposed to judge the mayor and where the mayor should go hang out, who is supposed to hang out with. Now, when they go see the mayor not see you, I say something else. The mayor only want to say highfalutin, high-tech people.
And they must say, and they live in a glass house, you know. They live in a glass house. That's the worst thing, you know, bro. That's the worst thing about it, man. So let's people alone, man. Let's be some man alone.
But you know what? Sometimes when you talk about something like that, no, you got worse, you know. You have to check your closet.
You know, that's what they say, man.
Yeah, you have to check your
Check
closet.
them one day where they misbehave there. Check them one day where they misbehave there, but Mr. Mayor there.
We can say.
Huh? Check them one where they misbehave there. They got them, they in a closet.
Well, that's the only way I know how to dance. Wow, I'm sorry. Well, Miss Elsie, boy, Miss Elsie, boom, boom. That's the way she dance, and when she give it to you, you better ready for it. That's all I have. When she bring it, she bring it for. Look, you would have think that lady 3 pounds.
The way how she go
The
on.
how she go off, and when Miss Elsie go down,
But now the vibration and the music, the rock. The rock.
rock. That rock there are nothing.
Huh?
Why? You have to ready for Punta music.
Happy ready, man.
And the mayor demonstrated that he is ready for
This
Punta
man,
music.
the mayor ready.
He ready.
Because the mayor brace spirit, right? And because you have to brace, because you just can't dug up.
No. There's an art.
Right?
There's an art.
You check whether your art, whether this, where they put it in this choreography.
And he know the art.
Yes, man.
And the mayor passed his test over. Right?
We post up and make we say that the man, when the man they do Punta
and Puntara.
So
he balance.
The balance, man.
Balance. He's a real culture man. He don't talk about it to show it. This mayor got to do. This mayor do all his traditional belief. He's entwined with Garifuna too. There is no measuring stick for somebody to say if you're a Garifuna or not. Garifuna do come from the heart, you know.
Yeah.
If you think nastiness or think stupidness for another man, that's been something wrong with you.
And you can't stop where the ancestors they protect.
What? That man is well protected, I could tell you.
You can't stop where the ancestors they protect.
Let's go to our viewers. Right?
What viewers say?
Regardless of what is being said about any elected official, they should still be available to everyone.
Exactly.
Yeah, you know, if the man dance jump and the man dance jump real good, he's a very good dancer. I danced with him before.
Yeah.
You know, I every year I say I know I dance for the last 15, 20 years I've been dancing. In 20 years, over 20 years I've been dancing in the ring. And I met the mayor a couple of times. And just in the last 5 years, he knows that I dance, you know, because traditionally, the way we were raised to dance, when we put on an outfit and get inspected, we don't take it off until 6 o'clock the evening. So you don't know who behind that mask. Now, Wababa right there. You never know who's behind it. So 5 years ago, he discovered that it was me. You know, that's because I think was it COVID or something? 3 years COVID, I think that's when I got sick and then the man, you know, helped me out. But I could tell you right now, when you the hops, last time I called me out, hey, you talk about the bracing he put off not deep.
Right.
There's no way that guy can escape. He got to brace up. And that is what they're at.
Yes, man.
You gotta brace when that train is backing up. When that roll is called up yonder.
You have to brace.
Tell us this side. All right, good. All right, make us say why people light up this thing here tonight. All right, real talk, DYFA. We grew up alongside each other, hence the reason we cannot forget where we come from. Me and Mariano is a true son of the soil.
Real talk,
from Galley Taylor, from Galley Taylor shop, Harlem Square. That's true. And Harlem Youths and Sinners, where I win. All right, that's true. And then Maria Castro, Sweet Pain, Wasabi, Harlem Youths. Yeah, that's true. Name, all right. Miss Maria, you said name two artists on the lineup.
The question. The question. So that person win the
Congratulations, Miss Maria Castro Escobar. You won a ticket to Paint and Powder.
Yes, at Islands Bar and Grill.
Yeah. Right? Now, where do we go from here with this dog obsession?
Yeah, this dog obsession. Yeah, where we go from here now?
Right? Where do we go from here with this dog obsession? For those, you get a lot. Hey, Manti, we have a lot of jealous people for this space, no man. Jealousy killing them.
Why?
Sometimes you want what they may have and you can't get it, so you try and spread out, you try to create something negative out of something positive. And we see it over and over and over with these politicians. You know, not only with the mayor, not only the situation, but politicians tend to don't find anything good about the nation. You know, because they want the power, they want to, but you can't get that man. They work hard, waiting. That man, a law man, you know.
Yeah,
the man come through the ranks. The man start and we were comfortable, you know.
No, I mean, you know, we can't try we can't try use our propaganda to try tarnish Miss Amar. We all know how far Miss Amar come from. Like what somebody said, Miss Amar is a man of the soil. He's grassroots. He's Garifuna. You know what I'm saying? And I know I want never, it no matter me, I don't want to try to tear down my Garifuna brother or my Garifuna sister, my Garifuna people.
We want music,
So we
rap.
want half entertainment. You know what I'm saying? Or whatever it is. You know, there could always be dialogue. You know what I'm saying? And it's just like Mr. Mari is nobody different than one bank manager when he's at work and they under a necktie, and when he go home he's not a different person. You know, he got a real life way. You know what I'm saying? So now just for status quo. You know what I'm saying? And that's a status quo.
This is a great juncture in our history. You know why? Ladies and gentlemen, this is the first serious thing I'll say for tonight, man. Gabriel, so now I'm gonna tomorrow brace. Tomorrow we'll talk. I can't say what we'll talk about tomorrow, but we're gonna be live here in the studios tomorrow on a regular Tuesday night show. But one serious note, ladies and gentlemen. In our community, right? I say it now. In our community, we tend to believe fiction. All right, people come and lie to it, give us promises after promises and promises. It's just like believing in and having faith in something that tell you by tomorrow. No, this mayor has demonstrated the truth. The truth hurts some people. All right, the truth really do hurt some people. People that are targeting the mayor. This is personal. This has absolutely nothing to do with the work that this man is doing.
Exactly.
We're not even right now. We run joke. We're not even talk about nothing serious. What this man do? That's not our job. We're not going to judge the mayor. We are going to respect the mayor for what him being him, demonstrating for him being himself, not hiding. And behind closed door, you got people that hurt people. He's dancing. When Donald Trump danced, we're not saying nothing. Our mayor, he is in culture capital where we have Punta Rock music, Punta music, Hogo Hogo, Paranda, Gunjai, Wanaragua, 2 Foot Cold. We have
so much
genre of music. This is only one. I want to see a mayor represent the entire people of Tagriga, and he has done that. So we're not going any back and forth with nobody. What we're doing, we are also expressing ourselves because at this radio station we play Puerto Rock music, and we're saying support the artist that makes this music. We're saying support the music, enjoy yourself, don't hurt nobody. The lyrics to this music doesn't say shoot, shot, none of that. That's not a serious note. All right? So I will say, back to where we're talking about, dub-ups is real. I love dub-ups.
It's part of the choreography.
It's part of the choreography. But your final thoughts, man.
Like when we started, we said that this is not jovial night, like what I said, like I have never thought about it as being sexualized, or I don't see it like that. I never see it like that before. I just stop dancing, the part of Punta Rock, the part of the choreography, like how I say, like how I say it, and that is how I see it, and Mr. Amar, they be yourself.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? And that now why I say. You know what I'm saying? I don't think that it was nothing more than dancing
Something more.
and being among his people and
Yes,
and,
yes.
and being social.
Yes.
You know, he
yes,
not the
yes.
hide. You know, he not the hide from nobody. He did right there with they
Yeah.
enjoy himself. They be us,
Correct.
being us,
Correct.
and he is us, and that is the demonstration that I saw. You know what I'm saying? I mean, apart from all the mischief, you know,
Mhm.
that is trying to be propagated around the a fun time.
Yes. Yeah. And the only reason why I do this live tonight is to have fun. We always have fun. Nothing really left for that tonight. Nothing. I mean, we had a talk, we had a sports show. We're having fun. And this is something that is buzzing in the ear. It's something that we have to talk about because it's our music. You know, we don't want to paint our music. Okay, so what should we do with the rap music? Is that is not up for debate. You dance is how you want to dance with that, as long as it's not hurting nobody. Right? He's a brave soul. And hey, when you go to the polls, are you going to vote for a man that is dancing your music or not? Dance. Come on, you go vote because man, you want to vote for a man who is doing the work. He's doing work. He happened to be girlfriend. Happened to dance with the rock music. So what's wrong with that? Rock and roll are something different. R&B, hip hop, reggae, something different. This is our music.
And we say our mayor every day.
We see every day. It's accessible. You know, that's so beautiful about that. So when I say, ladies and gentlemen, Monty, you saw I said last word. I must say, yo, you Monty.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you know what I mean? Thank you folks for tuning in. You know, it was a nice evening. You know, we just have fun, you know, and we have a nice laugh. You know, we can share with laugh with people.
Fans, eh?
You know, and with fans there. You know, so yo, enjoy on yourself and continue enjoy on the Monday. Remember tomorrow night, DYFA live again. Wednesday, you know, we have South Coast Podcast Raw. Friday we're at on the field. Saturday we're at on the field. Sunday we're at on the field. So yo, the grinding no one stop here. More there to come. So anytime DYFA plug in, make sure to plug in on the live, make sure to share it, make sure to subscribe. No germs.
Yo. Oh, I gotta get that, you know. Yeah, good night, Olisa. Good night, good night, good night. All right.